Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on ALBT. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today, wherever you are in this great world. We're going to talk about Allianceblock. I'm going to start with this. You can say the same for ALBT, connect to any, all to all, chain agnostic, World Economic Forum chosen, soon, ISO 222. Prometheus Protocol partners with QNT since 2018. And if you look at this mapping, you could see how Allianceblock sits on the top, connected to all the cryptocurrencies below. Again, one massive network being constructed as we speak. It's ALBT for me. The consistency at which the team has been launching products of late makes me certain this is one for the long term. Now, me personally, I don't plan on ever selling my crypto at this point. I'm thinking more on the lines of passive income, reinvesting my crypto and making more crypto, making income monthly off of it. Because I'm taking a different outlook on cryptocurrency. You could see how over time, all it does is gain more and more value. Not having ALBT, in my opinion, is missing out heavily in the next bull run. Their products are top notch and uniquely designed. I definitely believe they have got the best usable products in DeFi space. And people are starting to understand what ALBT is. Let's talk about Fundrs' official first listing, the DUA.com token. In this Fundrs update, we will deep dive into DUA and how their token is designed and targeted to help globally fragmented communities, getting to know the first listing and token on the Fundrs. And we see here, migrants and their relatives are more disconnected and underserved than ever, and existing social networks fail to provide a platform that unifies virtual connections and financial services. No platform solved this pain until now. That looks a lot like banking the unbanked, the same as XLM does, helping real people in the real world. I've said it so many times on this channel in different videos that these ISO coins, which I believe ALBT will definitely be one of them, they help people in the real world, connecting to each other somehow, some way, also through bridges or partnerships. Issued by the DUA Foundation, the token will help users, businesses, and creators from communities to transact without intermediaries and get compensated securely, verify virtual identities, and be their own bank, and more. That's very big. Banking the unbanked. Allianceblock partners with SuperColony to accelerate innovation on Polkadot's parachains. So we see even more partnerships for Allianceblock. We launch Fundrs on Avalanche mainnet. This is an important milestone for us, bringing us closer to fulfilling the vision that brought our co-founders together in 2018. Again, very big, continuing to grow and expand even in a bear market. A lot of cryptocurrencies do nothing at this time. They don't grow. They don't have any new partnerships. They don't have new projects coming on board. Allianceblock has never slowed down. That's why when I first invested in it, I could see exactly where this was going. It's going to be massive. One massive cryptocurrency. A lot of people are not paying attention. To participate in Fundrs and the first capital raising rounds by DUA.com and Bonch, you need the platform's reputable reputation token, RALBT. Over 16.34 million ALBT has been staked, with up to 15.8 million RALBT claimed. Think about that. So that's going to continue to bring value to ALBT, pushing the price up over time. Returning clients also came back to leverage our DeFi terminal. And again, you see Crypto Express, Transient, Org Network, Vault Hill. And I believe as time goes on, we're going to see partnership after partnership for ALBT because it sits in a perfect spot with QNT. and it's going to have a ton of value. I'm telling you, ALBT is going to make millionaires. Any project with the token can take advantage of our no-code liquidity mining and staking campaign solution. Create branded campaigns within an hour and with full ownership of your campaign's smart contracts. Check out ALB Allianceblock DeFi Terminal. Again, we're going to see, company after company coming to ALBT. Big, massive enterprise will also be tied to ALBT, adding value to the network and the currency. IXS is ALBT partner. We're thrilled to announce the beta version of the IXS Academy, your learning hub for all things STO and more. It's never too early or too late to start learning, and it doesn't have to be complicated. Check it out now. Again, another great partnership. ALBT and EWT. That's big right there because everybody right now is talking about EWT. So that means they're also going to learn about Allianceblock. And everything right now is about going green. You could see EWT being tied to every single thing in the world. Think about it. We all use energy somehow, some way, every single day. And more investors are learning about EWT because of BlackRock. Well, as they're learning about EWT, they're guaranteed to learn about ALBT. London Stock Exchange, LSEG's partner platform, offers Allianceblock access to unique market resources and providing institutional members the ability to have direct market access to Allianceblock's protocol. Now, I want to go back to the beginning really quick because I want to show you this. You see where ALBT and Allianceblock sits up above QNT. Up above that is the cloud. Now, when we talk about a new financial system and a fourth industrial revolution, which we're entering right now, the digital age, they want to tokenize everything. They want to digitize every single thing in the world. You could see how big this is becoming. Allianceblock, in my opinion, is an easy 100x token, possibly even more. But as I said before, it's one of those cryptos I don't want to sell because I think this is going to gain value as time goes on. Think about all those other cryptocurrencies being tied to it somehow, some way. It has to be. All bringing value to it. And over time, that value is going to continue upward. And a lot of people believe we're going to go into a normal bull run. I don't believe that. I believe we're headed into a utility run. And you could see how things are changing, even on crypto Twitter. You'll go on there, new investors coming into crypto. The first thing they say, what's the best utility token to invest in as a new investor? Now, most people pushed them on to the fact of XRP or XLM or XDC. They're the most talked about ISO coins. But the true sleeping giant I believe they're all going to miss out on is Allianceblock. It's one of those very overlooked cryptos. It's kind of like Algo, but now Algo's starting to gain popularity. I believe at some point ALBT will be the same. People start to learn about it, start to understand what it's about. New investors will come in, and all of a sudden, Allianceblock will be one of those X coins of the future. Everyone will know what it is when it starts doing parabolic moves to the upside. I got in really early on ALBT. I remember Kevin Cage, I believe, was originally talking about it. And the prices now are still very cheap. I think, believe it or not, I believe the price now is still less than what I originally paid for it. But at some point, that's going to change. That's why when I make these videos, I always point out the good about these cryptos, why you should get invested, where I could see the crypto going in the future, because I don't want you to miss out. And if you already hold ALBT, I want you to continue holding it, because at some point it is going to skyrocket in price, and I want you to make money off of it. I want you to get rich. That's what this whole channel's about. If it wasn't about that, I could be here talking and shilling you meme coins all day. I could be telling you about the most popular crypto right now that you should invest in. It's guaranteed to do 100x this week. but I don't because I want you to get rich. I'm a retail investor. I'm not a rich person like a lot of people on YouTube. They could show you something, you lose money, and they could care less. They're still rich at the end of the day. Me, I look at things differently because I'm not rich. I would never want that to happen to me, so I never want that to happen to you. These are really easy to buy cryptos because they're a safe bet. You buy in, you sit back, you be patient, you wait, and guess what happens next? You make money. With that said, I'm going to wrap up today's video. It got a little bit away on me there at the end. Please click the like and subscribe button as it helps this channel grow. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.